Hello! Welcome sa channel namin here sa Hyundai Alabang, and I will be presenting ang aming luxury SUV. By the way, I'm Jerome and papakita ko sa inyo yung ating Palisade. Pero brief history muna, ang Hyundai Palisade first generation was introduced to the Philippines noong 2018. And then nagkaroon to ng facelift noong 2022. And then noong July 2025, here, may kita nyo ang all-new Hyundai Palisade Hybrid Calligraphy. So ngayon, let's start with the front fascia. Yan, may kita mo, sa harapan pa lang, may kita mo, it has a wide commanding stance, no? So may kita mo, yung kanyang grills very wide. And from the daytime running lights, may kita mo yung vertical lines. And from the grill, yan, it illuminates. Yan, this is the daytime running light. And the kanyang headlight is also LED. And sa baba, sa lower profile, may kita mo kanya mga air flaps. So that helps with the cooling ng engine. Yan, right here sa side profile, makita natin yung kanyang wheel arc design dito sa may fender. Yan, which makes it more sophisticated. And dito sa kanyang wheels, we have rim 21s. No? Then, ang ating tires is Pirelli tires already. Yan, so from that pala, may kita mo na premium ang ating vehicle. Okay. Tapos may kita mo dito sa side is the side turning lamps, which is located here sa ating side mirror. And on top naman, may kita mo ang ating roof rail. And that's functionable. You can put top load on it. And then, so you can drive this during your city drives and meetings nyo. And also, if you want to have a family gathering or family adventure. And here sa rear, makita natin ang ating shark's fin na antenna and ang kanyang spoiler. And sa spoiler, nakatago doon yung ating wipers. So hidden wipers tayo para mas madaling linisin yung ating rear windshield. And sa rear, makita mo ang ating taillight has the same design as the front daytime running lights na vertical lines. And here, makita na natin ang ating tailgate, which is also power tailgate. So it's also equipped with the tonneau cover. Yan. Yan. So you can also detach that para magkaroon tayo ng extra seats at the back. So this is the quick view ng ating rear luggage space. Yan, makita nyo yung ating luggage space sa likod. And sa rear, meron tayong 12-volt outlet. And para ma-fold natin lahat ng seats is we have a button here na one touch lang and bababa na lahat. And let's talk about ang kanyang powertrain. So right here, we have the hybrid engine, which is the 2.5 turbo, and it also has a 6-speed automatic transmission. So as you can see, it's a hybrid. The electric motors right here, positioned on the left side of the engine bay, and the petrol engine here sa center ng ating vehicle. And that being said, ang horsepower natin dito is 334 horsepower. So right in front of us, ang color nito is the creamy white pearl. And we have 3 more colors na available, which is the robust emerald green pearl, the electronic gray pearl, and the abyss black pearl. Yeah. So dito sa harapan, sa interior, may kita natin ang ating leather wrap steering wheel. And note lang na it's also heated. So during pag maulan, kung gusto yung medyo warm ang kanyang mga hands, yan. So pwede nating i-activate ang ating heater for the steering wheel. And we also have a heads-up display so you can be more focused sa vehicle and nalalaman nyo na ang mga speed details ng inyong vehicle. And dito sa harapan, makikita nyo ng ating 12.3 cluster, and we also have the 12.3-inch infotainment system. And dito sa gitna, makikita natin is also our auto climate control. Yan, so soft touch, and we have the dial type to adjust the yung temperature. And dito sa gitna, makikita nyo, we also have the USB-C na 100 watts charger. So, ang bilis mag-charge ng mga gadgets nyo because we have 100 watts for the charging. And we also have the wireless charger here sa gitna. 2 cup holders. So, mapapansin nyo ang ating center console is mas maluwag kasi yung kanyang shift lever is located na dito sa kanyang column. So, even the starting up the vehicle, the button is right here located at the shift lever. Okay. So, this is also equipped with the UVC lighting. So, kung gusto nyo mas malinis ang kanyong mga gadgets, kunyari galing kayong hospital or galing kayong market, so you could also activate here the UVC light, which you can put your gadgets here. So, yan, dito natin mas-sterilize ang inyong vehicle. Ang inyong... So, dito natin mas-sterilize ang ating mga gadgets na galing sa labas. Yan. Okay. Yan. And sa seats naman, feel ko talaga yung comfort nito because you could also adjust the lumbar support. It has lumbar adjustment, and you could also have, dito sa legs natin, kung let's say you have a long drive, you could adjust your yan, meron tayong leg rest dito. Yan. So, yan. So, mas relax ang iyong driving. Yeah, so we also have memory seats. So, that's very advantageous sa mga taong, let's say, dalawa talaga yung nagda-drive ng vehicle. So, you can instantly adjust the seats and yung adjustments ng steering wheel pag pinindot mo yung mga buttons na yan. Okay, once na-set nyo na. And then, let's see here dito ang ating sunroof. Yan. So, talagang maamoy mo yung simoy ng hangin, lalo na pagka nagtagaytay or bagyo. Yan. Yan ang magandang purpose sa mga feature na yan. Okay, you can also close that. And we also have a switch here para ma-open mo yung rear sunroof natin. Yan. Okay, so let's turn on the map lamps. Yan. So it's also LED. So when we switch this, mag-open ang ating sunroof. So let's start driving this luxury SUV. Ang tahimik niya. So naninibago ako kasi previously nakapag-drive na ako nung Palisade because dati diesel yung engine natin. So, tahimik yun, pero ito sobrang tahimik na wala ka masyadong marinig na noise actually. Kasi pag start pa lang, maririnig mo is more of the aircon kaysa doon sa engine niya because electric ang unang nagsa-start ng vehicle. And then, right now, naririnig ko na yung engine kasi mas mabilis na yung ating speed. Yan. Then medyo apakan ko yung accelerator para ma-feel ko yung power. That's power. Yan. So, yan ang makukuha nating experience pag doon sa ating 334 horsepower. So, I think yung mga bibili nito would be very excited to drive it also kasi the engine is very engaging. As for the steering, is very light. Yan. So, for its size, akala mo mabigat pero pagka tinuturn mo siya, it's very easy to handle. Gusto ko yung positioning ng kanyang heads-up display. Is talagang konting galaw lang na mata ko, makikita ko na agad yung speed ko. Makikita ko rin kung merong vehicle sa side ko because there are like animation na may vehicle do sa side natin. And yeah, yan sa short distance pa lang may enjoy mo na yung power ng engine and how it handles. So dito tayo sa curve. Medyo bibilisan ko. And during curves, wala siya masyadong body roll. Wala siyang masyadong play sa when you turn the vehicle. And then during braking, and very smooth yung braking niya. So to wrap up with our Hyundai Palisade, ang bagong features niya compared to the previous one, this is the model that is hybrid already, and it has 21-inch rims and all sliding seats front and back from the first, second, and third row. And ang kanyang horsepower would be 334 combination ng electric engine niya and the petrol engine. And the price of this all-new Palisade is 3,980,000. And I would like to invite you to add our social media like Instagram and Facebook. That would be Hyundai Alabang. And so YouTube is Hyundai Alabang Fininvest. So I hope to see you here at Commerce Avenue, here at Muntinlupa, Alabang.